For real, for real, for real, for real. This my city, my city. Yeah, yeah. For real, for real, for real, for real, for real. This my city.
Hey bees, and welcome back to StyledByBeaver. Today's video is going to be a TopBox unboxing. I got a lot of products from TopBox to test and show you guys, so I want to show you what I got. This is one of the boxes. I got about maybe 4 or 5 boxes. This video is going to be kind of chopped up because I recorded a portion of it before I got the rest of my boxes, and I still haven't received all the boxes that they told me I was supposed to get. So it's going to be a little chopped and screwed, but nonetheless, I'm going to get as much products to you as I can. So I got these 2 small samples of the Clarins. There's 2 different items, at least I think it is. It says Clarins. It's in English and French. Clarins Hydra Essential Moisture HA2. It says one is for normal to dry skin. It says moisturize and quenches silky cream, and the other one says for all skin types, and it plumps, moisturizes, and quenches night care. So I'm not sure if it's the same thing or not. They don't look like the same thing. So this is the one that says normal to dry skin, and this one is the one that says night care. So I guess they're not the same thing, but because I can't really read French, I can't tell the difference, or I don't know exactly what it's supposed to do. But I'll do some research, and then I will let you guys know, probably on Instagram or Pinterest. Next thing I have here is the Dove Length Love conditioner and shampoo. It's supposed to help with smoothing split ends and strengthens and lengthens your hair. I used this my last wash day, so a couple days ago, and I don't know if I saw results yet, but my hair washed a little bit differently. Like, I just felt a lot more cleaner, and like it was restoring it a little bit. Like, it helped a little bit, and my hair has been feeling a lot more softer since I've used it. So from one use, I will say it's been giving me some decent results. I will use it again. I usually wouldn't even pick up something like this to use, but they sent it to me, and I would usually only use it on like my weaves or my wigs. But I want to give it a try. It's not, I don't have any complaints about it. It says it's an easy comb complex, which is true. It wasn't tangly. It was really easy to, like, detangle my hair and brush through it. So yeah, so far I like it. I think it works pretty well. So I got a lot of stuff from Loreal. Sticking with hair, this is something I probably would never use. I don't know if I'm actually gonna like it, but we'll see. This is the L'Oreal Paris Hair Expertise Hyaluron Plump with hyaluronic acid. I always struggle to say it. It says 8 seconds Wonder Water. So it's like a micellar water almost. Lamellar rinse out. Instant hydration. So you're supposed to put it on the ends of your hair, so not your roots, like just your tresses, and then you rub it in and massage it for 8 seconds, and then you rinse it out. So I'm not sure. I'll give it a try next wash day. These I'm excited about because I actually ran out of I'm running, out of face moisturizer and day moisturizer and night moisturizer. So these I was super excited about. They sent me the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Derm Intensives Micro Epidermic Hyaluronic Acid plus Ceramides Line Plumping Water Cream. This is the fragrance free kind. And I was just telling myself I need to get another water based cream because I really like how it hydrates my face. This is what it looks like. It has like the cover on it. It smells nice, but yeah, I'm excited to give this one a try. Oh, there goes one of my kids. Can you hide? The next cream that I have here is the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Cell Renewal Midnight Cream. Protects skin's moisture barriers, comforts firm, smooths wrinkles, antioxidant recovery complex. One is black, I think. Yeah, so pretty. It pretty. This one smells familiar. Like, I think my grandmother used to use this, and I'm not trying to be funny. I'm just saying that's how long it's been around. Either my grandmother or my aunt. It's very moisturizing, very hydrating. And I'm excited to use these products. Okay, and last we have the L'Oreal Paris New Eye Revitalift Youth Code 10% probiotic ferments and caffeine. Depuffing eye serum, rested looking eyes in 1 week. I am a mother of 4. Give me all the eye serum. Give me all the depuffing eye serum. Give it all to me, please. Okay, give it all to me, please. This is what it looks like, and you can see from the box the wand looks a little interesting. So I'm gonna. It's like 3 silver balls, and that's supposed to help with the depuffing because it's cold, and then the serum's cold. And if you have like a skincare or makeup fridge or your regular fridge, you can put these items in there to keep them cold for when you apply it to your face. It's freezing. And it like rolls it into the skin, which I think is pretty cool. My baby is starting to fuss, which means I gotta end this here. Results eventually, but right now I like how it feels. It blends in nicely. It's nice. Okay, so the other part of the video is going to start weird because a part of it cut off. But basically I was talking about the L'Oreal Magic Root Concealer, or the Magic Root Concealer in the shade Vibrant Red. I use it to do a hairstyle where I wore a red ponytail, like a braided ponytail, instead of just doing my roots, because as you can see, it's just the tips of my hair that have red on them. I put it in the ponytail and then I sprayed my whole head. Now, and because of that, it kind of came off and rubbed off. But I think it works really well. So just go into the next part of the video and you'll see what I'm talking about. Sorry guys, my camera cut. The battery was dead, so I'm gonna just use my tablet to record the rest of the video. Hopefully all goes well. If not, I'll just come back and do the other part later. But I was saying it's perfect for dark reds. It just has a really skinny nozzle here, and you basically spray it, I think a little, it says 10 to 15 centimeters, so just shake it up and then spray right on your roots, and then you can see the color deposit. I will do like a small review, or like what do you call it, like a tester video, and show you how I use it on my Instagram. It's StyledByBeaver, so definitely follow me there to see when I post me trying out the product. Okay, so we have another small box, and this one's for my husband. So this is the little TopBox card, and it says, congratulations, you have a new mission. Log into your TopBox Circle account and complete the steps to finish your mission. Check your dashboard for the date, because like it has a timeline when you can do it. So this is the Dove Men Plus Care 72-hour protection dry spray antiperspirant. It's long-lasting scent, midnight classico. That's what it looks like. He's gonna like this. He likes getting deodorant. He never has to buy deodorant like as often anymore, because he's always getting deodorant or like body wash to test. So he's gonna really like this. Let me smell. Ooh. That's really nice. It's like, it says new triple defense technology for forgettable underarms and all-day confidence. Yeah, we'll see. My husband does sweat a lot, so we'll see how well this works for him. Now on to the really big box. It's actually kind of heavy, so I'm curious to see what it is. Ooh. Oh, I've never seen this before. Okay, so we've got 3 products here. They're from Shea Moisture, and this is Shea Moisture's grapeseed and tea tree oils line. It's for low porosity, weightless hair. So it's the low porosity, weightless, hydrating shampoo, conditioner, and also their weightless, hydrating leave-in detangler. So it's grapeseed and tea tree oils with sunflower oil. So I've never tried this particular line before. I'm thinking it's new. It says detangle and prime on this one. This one says gently cleanse and hydrate, moisture resistant curly coily hair. That's what it's meant for. Soften and condition. I'm not sure if I have high porosity hair. I think my hair does well when I wash it, but I feel like it gets dry really quickly. So maybe that's what they mean. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'll do it once again. I will do a video on this as well, where I'm using the product and tell you how I feel about it. Maybe within a week or so. Again, check back to my Instagram or even my Pinterest. My Pinterest is Miss Jalisa, MSJALISA. If you want to see like an updated short video of just how I feel about the products. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Definitely follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, I believe Twitter as well. I'll have all those links down below for you to click and follow. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if I didn't say that already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.